Get high limits up to $250,000 with no hard credit pull and very high approval rates. While most financial institutions are tightening up, this one particular fintech company is giving out up to $250,000 in business funding with absolutely no hard credit check, and you can earn cashback rewards along the way. Introducing Loot, capital that pays you back. Unlock up to $250,000 today to fuel your business and earn cashback rewards along the way. Loot is a fintech company that offers multiple business funding products, including an MCA merchant cash advance up to $50,000, as well as a line of credit up to $250,000. Loot is business capital the way it should be. You can get a fast online decision simply by connecting your bank account securely using Plaid and get an instant offer. You can also get same day funds, so get cash as fast as the same day. Loot also has a very high approval rate, so Loot is an industry agnostic and can accommodate most businesses. They have low competitive fees because your business needs all of the cash it can keep, so their fees are competitive and very reasonable. You can also earn rewards, so they like to be fair and fun, and you can get rewarded with good payment behavior. And most importantly, no hard credit pulls, so they only do soft pulls that do not affect your credit score. Loot believes in celebrating your success, so you can earn rewards for on-time repayments, completing lessons, and sharing complimentary information, as well as making referrals and leaving reviews. Loot also has the flexibility for you to skip payments so that you have more control of your cash flow. Now, once you hit certain milestones like repayment history, tenure, or even revenue growth and cash flow, you can access better products, lower fees, and higher limits. Loot also allows you to save on interest. So if you pay off within 30 days, the fees outstanding can be reduced by 50%. And if you pay off within 60 days, the fees outstanding are reduced by 25%. Loot offers industry-leading early repayment discounts on MCA products, so you can comfortably use them to cover really short-term working capital gaps. Loot is really designed for small businesses. Now, the merchant cash advances offer quick approvals, no hard credit checks, and zero obligations, and your credit score is not affected. Now, what is a merchant cash advance? So a merchant cash advance, also known as an MCA, is a short-term financing option where a business receives a lump sum of capital upfront in exchange for an agreed upon amount of future revenue. Now, why choose an MCA? So it's a simple application. So 5-minute online application, no docs, high approval rates, so they approve in every state in nearly any industry. There's also same-day funding, so the funds can be sent to your business bank account as fast as the same day, and there's no collateral required, so no need to pledge any type of collateral. Now, to be eligible, you must check the following criteria below. So the time in business, so since you've been registered, is a minimum of 6 months. You also must have an annual revenue minimum of $25,000. The number of deposits per month must be 4 or more. Loot will also offer business lines of credit, so this is a flexible and convenient access to working capital lines of credit up to $250,000, and your credit score will not be affected. Now, what is a line of credit? So a line of credit is like having a pool of money that you can borrow from when you need it up to a certain limit, and you don't have to take all the money out at once. You can use it as you go. Now, why choose a line of credit? So for one, it's a simple application, 5-minute online application, no document uploads necessary, and the limits can range from a minimum of $5,000 all the way up to $250,000. You can also get same-day funding, so funds can be sent to your bank account as fast as the same business day, and it's flexible and convenient, so you draw down on it and access capital whenever you need it. Now, to qualify for the line of credit, your business must be registered for a minimum of 2 years, and you also must have an annual revenue of $250,000, and the minimum FICO score is a 650. Now, when will the line of credit product be available? So this line of credit will be available in January 2024, and right now you can join the wait list. Now, aside from getting funding, you can also become an investor with Loot. So you can invest directly into merchant cash advances, and there's modeled returns between 30 and 40% per year. So by investing, you can help fuel small businesses in various industries across the United States, from restaurants to auto mechanics to hotels, and get high returns on your investment for one of the most unknown asset classes. Number one, low industry exposure. So Loot provides MCAs to small businesses across industries ranging from restaurants to auto mechanics and hotels. Number two, low geographic exposure. So Loot provides funding services nationwide, reaching out to businesses in every corner of the United States. Number three, low deal and default exposure. So a 50K investment is typically diversified into 20 plus deals, optimizing the risk return profile. There's many benefits of syndicating with Loot. You have very high projected returns, full transparency into where every dollar goes, the option to pull capital after month 3 or continue to reinvest, and an experienced team managing the platform. In order to qualify to invest in the platform, you must be an accredited investor, and the minimum capital investment is $25,000. You can unlock the untapped potential of a highly profitable asset class. Now to recap, so again, Loot is a fintech company that offers merchant cash advances, and beginning in January of 2024, they will also offer a business line of credit up to $250,000 with a minimum FICO of a 650. Now, if you are interested in the line of credit, you can join the wait list. But if you are interested in getting access to some capital immediately, you could definitely apply for the MCA. Now, some of the benefits, there's absolutely no hard credit check, so there will not be a hard personal inquiry on your credit report. Number two, you can get same day funding. So a very quick decision. All you have to do is submit an application where you connect your business checking account using Plaid. They're able to analyze that and then provide an instant credit offer to you. They also have a skip a payment as well as early payment discount. So if you pay off your MCA early, you actually reduce the fees that are associated with it. Now, what's really interesting about Loot is that they also do a cash back reward. So after a certain amount of payments, then you can actually get some cash back. And this is unheard of in the MCA space. Now, what I also do like about Loot is that, let's say you take out an MCA and then you pay it off. The next time you apply for an MCA, you could actually get approved for a higher amount with better terms. And from what I was told, borrowers who take out MCAs may be subject to alternative requirements when it comes to upgrading to a business line of credit. So let's say you don't meet the business line of credit requirements if you're just applying directly. If you are a prior customer with an MCA and you've successfully paid off, let's say, several MCAs, you may be able to get upgraded to the business line of credit, even if you don't meet the traditional credit and revenue requirements if you are applying directly. So pretty much you can build a relationship with Loot by paying off MCAs and then get automatically upgraded to a business line of credit. Now, aside from the line of credit and the MCA, you can also do a syndication. Now, what is a syndication? A syndication is basically money that is pulled together and then reinvested in other businesses. So this allows accredited investors to be able to earn returns from investing money into other small businesses. Now, again, not everyone would be able to invest. You do have to be accredited. So there are certain net worth as well as income requirements to be able to participate as a syndicated investor. Anyways, if anyone is interested in applying, I've dropped a link down in the description of the video. That's all for today. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.